Hello everyone, welcome into Postman tutorial. Today in this tutorial we will learn about authorization in Postman, an important concept when working with APIs, whether you are testing public or private APIs. Understanding how to use different types of authorization in Postman is essential. So let's begin. In previous tutorial I have explained about the collection, how you can create the collection and run the test. So let's begin. First, create a new request, click on new, and then click on HTTP. Now, create a new request, enter here, post, and then enter the URL. After parameters, you can view authorization section. In authorization, if your API do not have any authentication, so you do not need to select any authentication. You need to select no auth. This request does not use any authorization. Barrier token. As you can view here, barrier token. Barrier token is used to send a security token with your API request, often after a successful login. Now, here you can view basic authentication. Basic authentication allow you to pass your username and password encoded in base 64 or simple authentication. In this tutorial, I will explain about the basic authentication. In the basic authentication, you need to enter username and password. Then you can access the API. Now, open this URL in Chrome browser, and here you can view authentication. Now, what you need to do, you need to enter username and password. Then you can access this URL. Now, enter URL here, user, and then enter password. Click on sign in, click on never. Now you can view here authenticated through user and then username here. Now, we will see in a Postman how we can use authentication. So, open, enter URL here, and then click on authorization. After authorization, you need to select basic authentication. In basic authentication, you can view the authorization header will be automatically generated when you send the request. You can learn more about by clicking on this link, basic auth authorization. Now enter user. This is the username, and then enter password. EASS. This is the password by default. Sensitive value. Use the value where a variable from one of the variable scopes. You can view by clicking on this eye icon, and you can hide this password. Now we can click on this send. Either you can click on this send, or you can click on here. You can view control plus enter. Control enter. You can send the request. Here we are getting 405 method not allowed. Let's change here, get, and then again send the request. Now you can view authenticated to end user. This is the response code 200, request successful. If you have API in which authentication is required, like barrier token, so you need to enter token here, then you can access the API. If you do not have any authentication, so you do not need to select any authentication type here. Just enter the username and password here, and you can log in successfully. But if you have an authentication in your API, so you need to enter here token. You can view here basic authentication. In basic authentication, you just need to enter username and password. But In barrier token, you need to provide here token and then click on send. Then API will be successfully sent. Click on control and enter. You can send the request. Here we are getting 401 unauthorized because we need to enter username and password. This is the basic authentication. We need to enter username and password. Now, again, run the, you can view here authenticated true and user. Are for today tutorial on authorization in Postman. I hope this video help you understand how to apply different types of authorization easily while testing your API. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Stay World for more testing tutorials. See you in the next video. Happy testing.